Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation. Chapter 18, Shloka 18. Knowledge, the known and the knower form the threefold impulse to action. The organs, the action, the agent form the threefold basis of action.
Chapter 18, Shloka 18. Jnanam jneyam parignata trividha karma chodana karanam karma karteti trividha karma sangraha.
Chapter 18, Shloka 18. In the previous shloka, we saw the constituent parts of action. In this shloka, we shall learn about the threefold impulses, karma chodana, which propel activity, and also the basis of action, karma sangraha. The impulse of action is a threefold arrangement made up of knowledge, jnanam, the known, gyam, and the knower, parignata. They are called triputi in Vedanta, indicating the experiencer, the experienced, and the experience. The experiencer playing in the field of the experienced gains for himself the various experiences, and these constitute the secret contents of all actions. The impulse to action springs from the experiencer as a desire, or from the experienced as a temptation, or from the experience as similar memories of the past enjoyments. The impulse to action need a field to act in, and the basis of action, karma sangraha, is constituted of the instruments, the reaction, and the agent. To fulfill the desires, the ego assumes the role of I am the actor and maintains itself in the presence of the picture of the fruits of action. Karma here means the end. The karma sangraha cannot function without the instruments of action, karanam, karta, and karma, called the karma assembly. 1. An agent having a desire. 2. Maintaining in his mind a clear picture of the end or the goal. 3. With all necessary instruments to act thereupon would be sum total content of any activity, karma sangraha. Based on the threefold impulses of action and the threefold basis of action, different people act so differently. All these are divided under the three categories of human nature: the good sattvic, the passionate rajasic, and the dull tamasic. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.